Okay, we are doing a print and cut. Print and cut. Print and cut. Now we gotta do this. Continue. Print. Print image on printer of your choice. Send to printer. I've already printed. No, not yet. Printer of your choice. Let's see, which printer do I have? Nope, nope, nope. I need. Okay. I am printing on the Epson. Print. Print and cut. Let's see what is happening. Can you see what is happening on the print and cut? Yes, okay. With the hair to go. We are going to do a print and cut. Now it's printed. I am going to let it sit for 30 minutes, and after that we'll be back to cut it. Now it is on the mat. That's it on the mat. I'm putting it in my CRICUT machine to cut. Load it on the wrong side. Let's try again. Loading properly now. On the machine for the CRICUT, I am going to pick the material that I want, so I'm going through it. I want printable iron-on DAC. That's the one I'm choosing. After I pick that, I press done. Now I'm ready to cut. Here we go. We're trying. Can you see? Yep, you can. And now we are going to cut. Let's see. Now I load it up properly. See? There we go. Now we are good to go. It's cutting. Yeah, to me. It's cutting everything. Measures everything so it knows where to cut. So it's cutting everything for me right now. Now it's finished cutting. So I unload the mat. I'll show you when I take it off. Now I still have something else to print on the heat transfer vinyl, so I'm going to cut that now. Feed the mat, press this knob, and then now the vinyl is being cut. Tells you how much time is left. Heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to pull it out. To cut it to find where I have my pieces from. This is the second piece. I cut it, and now it's time to weed. This is my pick, my weeding pick. So, this you throw away, this you keep. Now I just clean the stuff. This is what I want. See, I'm weeding. Everything has to look like this. Now I'll show you the finished product. Remember this? I have two different designs. I have this one which I want to come through the shirt. The shirt will be the color of this. The shirt will be the color of this. And this one stays as is. So it's two different ones. I gotta cut. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. I have to cut it because for two different parts of the shirt. So I have two separate pieces. Now I'm weeding. You see, I'm weeding it to make sure that all the letters that I want stay. You hear anything, it's thunder. I am weeding this print and cut. This is a transfer, paper transfer. Because all I want is the letters. And then I take the insides of the letters out. Still has the backing on there. I'll show you how I lift the letters out. This is what I took out. I'm taking out all the insides of the letters because I don't want that on the shirt. Now I'll show you how I do lift all these letters up. Okay. Now this is the unweed one. I am going to take some other clear transfer paper, stick on there to pull it up. measuring. I don't want to waste my transfer paper, so we'll go with this. Now this is this. I'm going to take this off. The backing I save. This clear I need to lift this up. Squeegee down, squeegee down. And now I'm going to lift it off. I don't want the whole thing. I only need, this is what I'm doing, I want you to see. I left it on the mat to make it easier for me. You don't have to. I am just pulling up the letters, see? I need to squeegee more on this one. This little piece right here. Okay, let's try again. My letters are coming up. This one here we are, see? Now it's willing to work with me. So everything is coming up. Oh, my need a little help, so I'll help it. I know how to do that, so we are helping. This is my DAC transfer. It's now fully weeded. It's on a transfer paper ready to be put on that shirt. I'm ready. Pull this out. Ready to print. I'm using 2 types of materials today. Making sure my shirt is lined up properly. So everything is put it here. I am going to just give it a little bit of warm it up to take away all the moisture off. Okay, we are ready for I have to make sure everything is even. I'm doing the transfer first because the transfer takes more heat. For this transfer, DAC transfer, I'm making this so I can make sure it's straight. This is the DAC transfer, so the DAC transfer is going to be DAC transfer needs 350 to 30 seconds. I gotta center my word. Now I'm ready. Has to be straight. It is straight. This is my Teflon sheet to protect my shirt. Now we just wait. Okay, this Teflon sheet is hot. This is what this is looking like. Now the heat transfer, and the heat transfer takes, the temperature is 305 for 15 seconds. So now I have to change it and wait for it to get to the right temperature because now it's at 350. This is the finished product. Making this for a friend. If you like, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. When the next video comes out, you'll be notified. Thanks again for watching. Bye.